circuit section of the Electronics 10 exam. You're looking at a close-up of a breadboard. When we look at the breadboard, we have different connections in it. Question number 1. If you look at the top rows here, you have blue and red. They're horizontal, yes. Here is my question. Is it connected in groups of 5, or is it connected in the entire row along the top? Connected in groups of 5, or connected in a whole row at the top? Question number 2. Looking at this body section in here, we have lots of different holes. What I want to know is this part in here connected in vertical columns of 5, or is it connected in horizontal rows of 5? Vertical columns of 5 or horizontal rows of 5? Which one? For question 3, I want you to look at the circuit on the left side of the board. For all the circuits, we have a 9-volt battery and a switch. They will never change. I want you to look at this first circuit, and let's see how it works when I turn on the switch. Okay, just turns the light off and on. Pretty simple. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to make several changes to make the circuit not work. What I want you to look for are 2 reasons why it does not work. The circuit will not work. I want you to look for 2 reasons why it does not work. I'm going to make the changes now. There's the circuit now. I try the switch. It does not work. I need 2 reasons why it does not work. So be specific. Look at the parts on the board. Look at where they are on the board. I need 2 reasons. There's at least 3 there. Look at the parts and look at where they are on the board. There are 3 different parts in this circuit. There's a diode, an LED, and a resistor. Be detailed about your 2 reasons. What are they? Moving on to the next circuit. Question number 4 is a circuit in the middle. Wait a minute, we're not moving on there yet. I have one more question about this circuit. Backing up. I am going to add a meter to this circuit. This is question number 4. When I add the meter probes to this circuit, it's going to be measuring something. You need to tell me what it's measuring. Here come the meter probes. Okay, meter probes have been added. There they are. Question number 4 is, what is that measuring? What is it measuring? Now we're going to move on to the next circuit. This circuit here has a push button. Let me just move the meter probes here. Get them out of the way. Okay, this circuit here has a push button. And when you push the push button, you see the green light comes on. So notice the light is only on when I push the push button. I'm going to add a capacitor to the circuit now. And I want you to watch what this capacitor does to the light. Notice how the light fades away? It's not as quick as before. Watch again. Without the capacitor, it's very quick, isn't it? It goes away. But I add the capacitor, and the light fades away. A little bit slower. So my question is, what is it about the capacitor that makes the light fade away? What is it about the capacitor that makes the light fade away? Be detailed in your descriptions. Okay, let's have a closer look. You can see the capacitor there. Very quick light. I plug in the capacitor and it fades away. What is it about the capacitor that allows the LED to do that? What makes it fade away instead of just going out right away? The end of circuits part 1.